Hold the device in one hand, keeping it horizontal. Place the thumb of the other hand on the thumb grip, pushing it forward as far as it can go until the mouthpiece appears and snaps into position. A lever becomes apparent. Keeping the device horizontal, slide the lever away as far as it will go until it clicks. With the patient standing upright and head in neutral position or slightly tilted back, have them exhale all the way to empty the lungs. Place the device in the mouth, making sure the tongue is underneath and out of the way of the mouthpiece hole or opening. The mouthpiece should go between the teeth with the lips tightly sealed around it. The patient breathes in through the mouth rapidly, forcefully, and deeply, completely filling the lungs. The patient should hold their breath for as long as comfortable. Finally, remove the inhaler from the mouth, exhale away from the mouthpiece, and relax and breathe normally.